This is my final design for project 2. I will be continuing to use my plastic model example for assignment, for the first assignment of the project. So the plastic model in its package form is surrounded by runners that keeps the different parts together, and users take the parts off these runners and dispose of them, and this creates a lot of waste that can be recycled. This is my visualization flow from the first part of the project, where that details the materials of which the plastic models are made of, and their how they are transported to the consumers who use them to create the model as an output, while also including the recycling process and how the parts can be recycled and used to create more models. This is double diamond for the plastic model. This is covers the service design method, where the designers identify the problem and gain information from the consumers and use prototyping and testing to solve the problem. This one's service design double diamond for the plastic model specifically, where I go into detail on which methods I'll be using. So in this case, it will be brainstorming, storyboarding, and testing tools. So this is the first storyboard on how what happens to the waste for the average user, how they purchase the kit, make the model, and dispose of the waste, and then go back to purchase more bottles. Based on this scenario, I created a brainstorming map where I identified the types of weights, recycled locations, and recycling methods. And from that, the most reliable solutions are material recycle and thermal recycle. Also, look at the different types of waste, or rather relook at the different types of waste, and I realized that there's also instruction box and as well as instructions paper, which can be used to inform the audiences or consumers. So this is a second storyboard on how users can go about recycling. So the consumer purchases the kit. They're informed of the recycling project. And then after they complete the kit, they recycle the runners and the unnecessary parts, which can be used to create new products. So for the test drive, the tool will be recycle Dropbox to see how many users will come back to recycle their runners and used parts. The second tool would be to include a notification in the instruction manual for the model, informing the users of on how to recycle their unused parts at the end. And the third tool would be a prototype for a recycle model to see if the users will react would actually buy models made of recycled parts, as currently the recycled models do not have color, which can be important to some users. So this is my process work. I researched how how the models are made and how they can be recycled. This is my brainstorming double diamond from third week. This is my brainstorming, and this is the double diamond for the storyboard and the storyboard template. Thank you.